Hey guys, what's up? Rush Charles here, and today we're going to be unboxing the second lens. So yeah, it's exactly the same as the first one. No difference whatsoever. This is for the other side. Okay. So yeah, here is the lens. Here's the front, and here's the back, and to show you the other one again quickly, just in case you didn't see the last video. Here's the one I've just unboxed, and here's the other one. And yes, these are the brake lights for underneath the back window. The R4's is a bit cracked, and yeah, one of the bulbs isn't working in one, so we'll have to get a new one of that. But I've got a lens for it now, so yeah, there they are. I'll be fitting them tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully along with the indicator for R5 as well, which is just the side, and maybe the backs for these with R5, which they are brand new, but I'm just going to pop them on there for now, just to protect them a bit, and then I'll buy some brand new ones maybe. Yeah, here's front, there's back again. Just get the thumbnail now, guys. R4 still needs some tail light lenses. Same goes for R5 as well, which is basically the same as these ones, but yeah, tail light lenses, which go a bit like that, not up like that, if you get what I mean. And yeah, thank you. I'll show you me putting them in on Sunday, which is tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully it'll protect them a bit more as well. Because R4's has got a slit in them, which I'll still keep them just on my shelf, like I've done with the other broken lenses. So yeah, now let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.